Hello, today we will be unboxing and setting up the Clover Duo. Please be aware of the serial numbers on the side of the box. This will become important if you have ordered multiple devices. Let's start by opening the box. As you open the box, you will notice a cardboard insert with a booklet. This is the starter guide. This guide will have diagrams that show you the steps to set up the device. We will be going over these steps today. Start by removing all the boxes inside the large box. This includes the starter kit, Duo printer, and Duo customer display. The last thing to remove is the merchant display. Let's start by opening the starter kit. Inside you will find the power cable, a pack of Velcro stickers, the Duo connection cable that connects the customer display to the merchant display, and 2 rolls of receipt paper. Under the cardboard insert, you will find the power adapter and the Clover Duo Hub. Next, we will open the Clover Duo printer. Open the box up with the flat part laying down and flatten the flap. Slide the cartons out straight to remove the printer. Then remove the cartons on each side. Next, we will remove the customer display. Open the box and remove the customer display by the sides of indents of the carton and lift slowly. Last, we will remove the merchant display. Remove each side of the carton carefully from the display. Now, we are going to show how to connect all the devices together and power it on. First, flip all the devices over. Then, grab the Clover connection cable. You will see a pink diamond symbol on the cable. Plug this into the pink symbol on the merchant display. The other end plugs into the customer display. Next, unwrap the wire from the bottom of the printer. Then plug this cable into one of the 2 free ports on the bottom of the merchant display. Next, we will connect the Duo Hub. First, let's go over the hub's features. Starting from the left, you will see 4 USB ports. These are for devices like scanner and label printers. Next, you will see 2 cash drawer ports. On the other side, you will see the power adapter port and an Ethernet. We will now take the hub's USB cable and connect it to the final free port on the merchant display. Now grab the power adapter plug and connect it to the Clover Hub's power port. Now flip all the devices back over and remove all the film from the screens and the printer. Once you plug the adapter into an outlet, the Clover Duo will turn on. Now you are ready to move on to the installation process.